Lee, first and foremost, many congratulations. The club's now secure for at least another season in the Cymru Premier.
Yeah, as I said, weeks coming in, it's an outstanding achievement for us to be retained our status. We picked the worst possible performance to try and do it. I thought Aberystwyth were a very good first half. We could have been a couple of goals down. And as I spoke to Cobbs, is that, you know, where's that team been for him since he's been in? Because I'd feel sorry for Cobbs. Because they played with freedom, they played with a bit of urgency, a bit of fight in them. But for my team, that's not good enough. But the ultimate goal was to stay in the Welsh Prem, which we did by ourselves. We didn't know the result in terms of Barry in the Newtown game. So forget today's game. We've achieved what we set out to start the season.
Cobbs, disappointing to lose once again, I'm sure, but you know, you've got to give credit to your team for the performance this evening.
Yeah, absolutely. I thought the first half an hour, I thought, you know, for the first time in a long time, we were by far the better side. You know, it was the team that we saw when we first came in. We saw them against Newtown, where we saw that fight, we saw that desire, we saw them playing. It's just a shame that we've left it so long, but at the same time, I think there's that bit of a relief on them as well, to think that it is done and dusted, obviously relegated, so it does, you know, release that pressure on them. So, and obviously pressure is a big thing in it, and some players do struggle with it. So, but no, it was good to have a fighting performance tonight. It's just disappointing in the way that we conceded the goals though.
Harry, peth cynta, llong gyfrachadau, mae'r clwb yn ddiogel rwan am dymor arall yn uwch yng Cymru.
Diolch yn fawr iawn, job done, buzzing, gyd ohono ni.
Oedd hi'n hawdd heno, Aberystwyth yn gwneud hi'n anodd, a oedd y gwynt di cefn iddyn nhw yn hanner cynta, a mi gafon nhw gyfleon, ond gol gydwad chi Jack Fflint yn cadw chi yn y gem.
Hanner cyntaf, rydyn ni ddim yn digon da i dweud gwir, ond dipyn bach o chwarae da gan Ben a gol da, wedyn wedi mynd i mewn a un i fyny hanner amser. Get out of jail free card, dwi'n meddwl oherwydd yn y hanner cyntaf, nhw oedd y tîm gwell i dweud gwir. I ni, i edrych at seeing games out heno ddim yn digon da i dweud gwir. Mae'n dylai ni cael llechen lan i dweud gwir.